Good day everyone, so welcome back into our channel. For today's lesson is all about rounding numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. This is the basic idea. To round a whole number, we look how close is the number from two compatible numbers of our interest on a number line. So this is our number line. You can see that 5 is our middle number. So we're going to look on our two compatible numbers if we're going to round it off to the lowest possible value or round it off to the highest possible value. So let's start rounding number to the nearest 10. So this is the rounding rule. Find the number, look right next door. 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. So when we are finding or rounding number to the nearest 10, we need to look for the place value or the number in ones place. So let's try this. Where is or what is the number in ones place? So it is 7. So 7 is higher than 5, then we need to round it to the highest possible value. We have here an example. We have 14. So 15 is our middle number. 14 is here. Which is nearer? Is it 10 or 20? So 10 is nearer to 14. So 14 is approximately equal to 10 since 4 is lower than 5. Next we have 26. So 26, you can see on our number line, 26 is here. So 26 is higher than 25, which is our middle number. Where are we going to round it off? Is it in 20 or 30? 26 is nearer than 20. So 26 is approximately equal to 30. Last we have 44. So where are we going to round it off? Since 44 is here. So 44 is lower than 45. Where are we going to round it off? Is it in 40 or 50? Which is nearer? Is it 40 or 50? So 44 is approximately equal to 40. Very good. So it is 40. We're going to round it off to 40. Next we have rounding numbers to the nearest hundreds. So always remember the look right next door. So what place value are we going to see? It is in tens place. So what number is in tens place? It is number 8. Let's try. So we have here 432. So 432 is in between 430 and 440. 432 is lower than 450, which is our middle number. So 432 is approximately equal to 400. Very good. Next we have 275. 275, you can see that it is in between 270 and 280. So where are we going to round it off? Is it in 200 or 300? So 275 is approximately equal to 300. Nice one. How about 396? 396 is in between 390 and 400. Where are we going to round it off? Is it in 300 or 400? So 396 is approximately equal to 400. Yes, you are doing great. Last, we have rounding to the nearest thousand. So we're going to see the hundreds place. Let's try. We have here 3,200. 3,200, you can see on our number line that it is in here, nearer to 3,000. So where are we going to round it off? So it is in 3,000. Very good. So 3,200 is approximately equal to 3,000. How about 8,625? 8,625 is here. So we have here 8,600. So where are we going to round it off? Are we going back to 8,000 or are we going to 9,000? So 8,625 is approximately equal to 9,000. So we're going to 9,000. We're going to round it off to 9,000. Very good. So let's try. We're going to round the following numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, and thousand. Let's start with number 1. We have 642. So round it off to the nearest tens. What is our answer? It is nice one. So it is 640. How about if we're going to round it to the nearest hundreds? Going to see the tens place. So round it to the nearest hundreds or 100. So round it to 600 or 700. So it is 600. How about to the nearest thousand? So let's see the hundreds place. Are we going back to 100 or we're going to 1000? So it is 1000. Next we have 487. So round to the nearest 10. Let's see the ones place. So 7. Where are we going to round it off? Is it in 480 or 490? Our answer is 490. Very good. Next we have nearest hundreds. Is it 400 or 500? So it is 500. How about nearest thousand? Are we going back to 100 or going to 1000? Going back to 100 since 4 is lower than 5. Last we have 1242. Round it off to the nearest tens. So are we going back to 1240 or going to 1250? What is our answer? It is 1240. Next we have rounding to the nearest hundreds. So 4, we're going to see the number 4. Where are we going to round it off? Is it 1200 or in 1,300? We're going to round it up to 1,200. Very good. Last, rounding to the nearest thousand. 1,000 or 1,000 or 2,000. So it is 1,000. Very good. So I hope you understand our lesson. So have a nice day and see you again next time.